Hey guys, wanna know how to join multiple tracks in Audacity? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to do so the easiest way in just a few steps. So let's get right into it. So first up, we have our tracks right here. Make sure you have Audacity and you have multiple tracks just like this. Now, what you can do is either press Ctrl+A, I'll select the entire track. Now go to Tracks and then go to Mix and then click on Mix and Render. What this will do is mix up the tracks and render it as one. Right? It's as easy as that. So you can just select it by various other means such as dragging. Both of them has been selected as right here. Go to tracks. Now go to mix again and then select mix and render. As you can see, your multiple tracks has been mixed and rendered as one. So that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more related videos. See you in the next one.